And finally, what is the role of the judiciary, particularly the appellate judiciary, which are the High Courts and the Supreme Court, in updating the rules of evidence law by judicial creativity? Over the past few years, technology has been changing so rapidly that it is practically impossible for evidence law to address all possible situations. For example, if I create a painting using an AI image generator, who owns the copyright for that image? Me or the company which created the AI image generator? Or the artists whose paintings were used to train the AI system? Similarly, if a self-driving taxi causes an accident, who is to blame? The company operating the taxi or the company which built the taxi? Judges, especially in appellate courts, that is the High Courts and the Supreme Court, play a crucial role in interpreting and applying the law of evidence. So this term, judicial creativity, refers to how courts adapt and update laws through their judgments, especially when faced with new situations or ambiguities. In evidence law, this is particularly important because technology and societal norms evolve and the law needs to remain relevant. So courts can do this by interpreting ambiguous provisions, that is, by clarifying what certain sections of the law will mean in practical situations, by applying laws to new technologies, that is, by deciding how existing evidence laws will apply to new forms of evidence like social media posts or AI generated data, and by setting precedents, because judgments in key cases become guidelines for lower courts and for future similar cases, effectively updating the application of evidence law.